Today, we're making Pad Prik King, aka Thai red curry stir fry with chicken. This is a quick and easy chicken recipe that can be done in 15 minutes. There is minimal prep work, making it great for busy nights or meal prep. There is a little bit of spicy heat to this recipe, but it tastes delicious in the end. So, let's get cooking. This is just like getting Thai food to go, but with the benefit of saving money. Thinly sliced 1.5 pounds of chicken breast. We're using tenderloins, but regular breast meat can also be used. Then mince 1 shallot, and cut into small pieces 2 Thai chili peppers. On a wok set to high heat, add some oil, then our shallot and Thai chili. Allow to sweat for 45 seconds, then add the chicken, toss and allow to fully cook. We can then add 1 pound of string beans or green beans and toss for 2 minutes. Then add 4 to 5 tablespoons of Prik King curry paste and add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Toss everything together. The curry paste will dissolve out and begin to coat everything. Make sure to toss it all so that the string beans and chicken is fully coated. It smells so good right now, just like takeout. Just keep on tossing, everything will slowly get coated as that curry paste melts out. Add a little bit of water as well if you need. And boom, we have Pad Prik King. This is wonderful and a great example of how you can make takeout quality food at home for far less money than eating out every day. This cost us about $7 to make, and there is enough food for about 4 servings. This is one of my favorites because it's so easy and yummy. So if you're getting hungry from watching this, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.